Okay, next gun up is my 1866 second Allin conversion. I bought this gun at auction a long time ago. Never fired it, never did a video on it. I had one before that I did the video on, but I sold that and I picked this one up because that one had some damage to the barrel. I think this one's pretty good. We're going to take it out and fire a couple smokeless loads through it here. Okay, we're going to try this out. Got a 50-70 load smokeless powder. I'm going to try it out at 100 yards and see what we do here. Don't know if we broke the extractor already. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, I got one in there a little on the high side, so looks promising. Okay, still a tad high at the 100-yard mark. And yes, all that does is just barely kick that out. A cartridge doesn't have a spring ejector in it. Oh, that wasn't good, whatever that was. I see that. We had a little malfunction there. Felt some wind passing me by. Okay, the 1866 Springfield at 100 yards. Like I said, a little high and to the right. First one was way up high there and I kind of adjusted it. Got one in the bowl, but the ammo started doing something weird, so I go on to check the gun out. I never really did check it out well, and I see the ejector spring is broken, but that's not too bad for a first try. Smokeless load at 100 yards with that old 1866 second Allin conversion.